Okay, this will be an interesting one. Okay. Going to enlarge it. Going to check it out, the size. I'm just going to set this silly thing up. Oh yeah, it's newsprint, so it's going to need a little bit of background suppression or removal, whatever they call it. Same diff. Bit of contrast. A little bit of a light setting here to make this look better than the original. Okay, let's see what we have. We have here, this was cut out of a senior's paper. So this is a really nice, it looks like a holiday trip. See how we go. Put that on the glass. Hopefully that'll turn up a treat. We just got to work out how big to make it. It's about an A6 that way. We'll see how we go. See what we can do. So, silly. So we're going to make the horizontal 210 and the vertical is going to be also 210. See if we can make this look good. We're not going to photocopy the whole length, it's going to be distorted. We want to keep the, it would be nice not to distort the X and the Y axes. So if we know what I mean, enlargements. So, well, that looks interesting. Wondering if we're going to make it. In some ways I like it, in some ways I don't. So I'm going to make that might look like it'll make a good centre right there. So we're going to centre it. I was thinking that was going to be the centre, but I think this has got more, looks a bit more lively there. So, wondering if we're going to just stick with that. Okay, let's see how we go with that. So that's our second piece. We're going to put it upside down like that. So we're just going to line these up. So that's those two. And now we're just going to make a mirror image out of this. So we're just going to go here, switch it on, and head off 2 copies. Hopefully we won't have any problems with the original size detection. See how we go. So that's those 2 pieces coming out, and we're just going to line these up with the other 2 normal oriented originals. So not originals, copies. Why am I saying originals? So it's going to be, maybe the art is original that I've created, but it's actually copies. But it could be called original in itself, but these are copies. Strictly speaking, they're copies. Sometimes photocopier artists have spoken about original copy. I've heard that phrase being used in some of the circles of photocopier artists, but we won't go into that. But that looks really nice. I think now we can call this demo quits.